everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's that magical time of year again, and today I'm going to show you how to create your very own winter wonderland right at home. With a twist, we're talking budget-friendly decor hacks that will bring all the charm of a snowy holiday season without breaking the bank. Ready to transform your space into a dreamy winter escape? Let's get started. Okay, so we're starting with pine cones. These little guys scream winter vibes, right? But here's the hack. To make them look extra frosty, grab some artificial snow spray or even spray paint with glitter. You can scatter these around your mantelpiece, add them to a wreath, or even place them in a glass jar for a charming rustic touch. Next up, snowy lanterns. If you've got lanterns lying around, this trick is perfect for bringing a little extra winter sparkle. Just add some fake snow inside, or even cotton balls for a soft, fluffy look. Now check that out. The soft glow of the candle plus the faux snow inside creates such a warm, wintry atmosphere. And the best part? It's all so easy and super affordable. All right, let's take it to the windows. You know those beautiful snowflakes you see on store-bought decals? Why not make your own? All you need is some basic stencils, temporary adhesive spray, and a little creativity. Isn't that so cool? It's like a snowstorm right inside your house. You can do this on your windows, mirrors, or even glass tables for a magical winter effect. Plus, it's completely removable. let's talk about garlands. A simple green garland can go a long way, but to make it truly wintry, add some white accents, glittery pine cones, and even a few tiny LED lights. Don't be afraid to mix textures. A little bit of frosted greenery mixed with shiny elements, like ornaments and ribbons, will give you that winter wonderland feeling without the high price tag. Look at how cozy and festive this all looks. With just a few simple hacks, you've got yourself a winter wonderland right in your own living room. Whether you're hosting family for the holidays or just curling up by the fire, these little touches will definitely bring the season to life. I hope you love these winter wonderland hacks as much as I do. If you try any of them out, I'd love to see your creations. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more seasonal tips, and share this video with your friends who are ready to get their homes holiday ready. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more DIY magic. Subscribe for more fun ideas.